Welcome back, my math ASVAB party people. I'm Anderson, your ASVAB coach, and what we're going to be doing in this video today is we're going to be talking about scientific notation. Scientific notation is one of those topics that if you don't know it, it looks confusing, but once you learn it, it's actually very doable. So allow me to go ahead and show you how to do this problem. That way we can keep acing the ASVAB. And by the way, if you didn't know, real quick, you can get all of these videos. I have over 1,000 videos, all of the recordings to my classes, the live classes, and my support all the way until you pass. If you want to get that kind of help, there it is right there. asvab.info/prep. Let's go ahead and get started here. So we have this big old number right over here. We have 37, and what is that? Million, billion, trillion? That is going to be billion. So 37, this would be 1,000, million, billion. So there we are. So that is 37 billion. How do we write that in scientific notation? How do we do this? So here's how scientific notation works. Scientific notation is basically like saying, hey, we only want one digit in front of the decimal. Then you can have your decimals or whatever, but we just want the decimal place behind the first number. That's it. That is literally it. So if we're taking a look here, we are going to want to put the decimal right there. That's where we're going to want it. If you can't see it, there it is right there. That's where we want that decimal. And so here's how we're going to handle this. Remember this, when it comes to big numbers, we are going to have a positive exponent. Exponent meaning right here. We're going to have a positive exponent if we have a big number. If we have a small number, if we have a decimal, something like 0.0000037, the exponent would be negative. Okay? So the exponent's positive if it's a huge number or bigger than 0 or bigger than 1. And the exponent will be negative if it's less than 1, if it's a decimal. That's all you gotta know. And so then what we're gonna do is write this. Our answer is gonna be 3.7, and then we're gonna multiply by 10 to a certain power. What's that power gonna be? Literally this. All you're gonna do is count where the decimal currently is. So right over here, we're just gonna count the number of spaces we need to get to this. That's it. That's it. That's seriously it. So watch this, my party people. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right there. So it's going to be 3.7 times 10 to the power of 10. That tells you, that 10 right there, tells you how many times you're moving the decimal place over. And because it's positive, it's a big number. And that's why the answer is B. So again, my party people, join our class tonight. It's at 6 p.m. It's part of my All-Access program. That way you can get the score you want and the job you deserve. So if you want to join, go ahead and click the link in the description or go to asvab.info/prep. That way we can get you started. With that said, let's have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's go. Hey, thanks for watching. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button up here. That way you can get more great content from us. Or text ASVAB to that number. That way you can join us for a free class and get a free mini course at the same time. And then look forward to the next video. That way you can continue crushing it and raising your score. Anderson, your ASVAB coach here. See you next time.